Good morning, everyone. I want to start out this morning by first saying I hope everyone had a great day of school yesterday. Now I want to begin by going over your assignment from yesterday, starting with number one. Question number one says list each Chinese philosophy and their founders. Well, Confucianism was found by Confucius. Taoism was found by Lazi. Legalism was found by Han Fuzi. Number two, why is the system of examinations a good way to choose government officials? Well, it allows you to select the best candidates in order to build a strong government. Number three, why did aristocrats and kings like legalism? Well, many aristocrats like legalism because it favored force and power, and it did not require rulers to show kindness or understanding. Its ideas led to cruel laws and punishments for Chinese farmers. Number four, how are the ideas of Confucius and Laozi similar? How are they different? Like Confucianism, Taoism aimed to create a peaceful society. On the other hand, Confucius believed people should work hard to make the world better. Laozi believed people should turn away from society and live in harmony with nature. Number five, identify work done by men and women. Well, men grew crops, ran the government, and fought wars. Women raised the children, were responsible for their education, and managed the household and family finances. Number six, why were merchants not respected in ancient China? Well, people believed that merchants acted only for their own gain and not for the good of society. In other words, they were very selfish. Number seven, list the four classes of early Chinese society. Well, the classes were the aristocrats, which were the wealthy, farmers, which made up the greater population of the people, artisans, which was the skilled workers, and the merchants, which were the shopkeepers and the traders. I have now concluded yesterday's lesson. Everyone, I hope you have a great day.